Hi, scholars and families. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I am back with another video showing you how to do different math stories. Today's math story is a compare, difference, unknown. Compare, difference, unknown. The math story is Aaliyah has 19 crayons. Shania has 7 crayons. How many more crayons does Aaliyah have than Shania? Again, Aaliyah has 19 crayons. Shania has 7 crayons. How many more crayons does Aaliyah have than Shania? So of course I'm going to show you 3 different strategies to use to solve this problem. But before we solve the problem, we must do the first step, which is annotate the problem. So, Aaliyah has 19 crayons. I know when I annotate, I circle the number and underline the unit. So she has 19, that's the first number, and the unit is crayons. Shania has 7 crayons. How many more crayons does Aaliyah have than Shania? So I'm done with my annotation, but now I need to think about my part whole. Aaliyah has 19 crayons, Shania has 7 crayons. I know that my part whole is the biggest number. It's the number that we're trying to get to. Aaliyah has 19, Shania has 7. How many more does Aaliyah have than Shania? So I know I'm not putting the two numbers together to find the whole. So 19 is our whole. And our 7 is our part. So that means on our scale of the part, whole, this is our key, we are looking for a part. We have one part, and then we know that our whole is 19. So what the strategy that we use, we have to use a strategy to find our other part. So the first strategy I'm going to show you is a strategy that the kindergartners use in the beginning of the year. It's called the compare strategy. So the first step is to represent 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So, I have represented my first number. I need to label. So, Aaliyah had 19, so I'm going to put an A on top of Aaliyah for her 19. Now, Shania has 7. I'm going to represent 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this is what Shania has. So I'm going to put an S for Shania. So now I need to figure out how many more crayons does Aaliyah have than Shania. So what I will do is pair them up. They both have 7. Shania has 7, Aaliyah has 7. So I'm going to pair those 7 up. And now the rest is how many more Aaliyah has than Shania. So now I have to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it says that Aaliyah has 12 more crayons than Shania. So I'm going to try another strategy. This strategy is called the heart strategy, also known as counting on. Here we paired them up, so I know that I'm going to count backwards because I am subtracting. So with the heart strategy, I'm going to put the first number in my heart, which is 19. My next number is 7. I'm just going to draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now that I drew those 7 circles, I'm going to count on for this case, I'm going to count backwards because I am subtracting. So 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. I came up with the same number I had for my first representation. Now I need to double check. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, and 12. Wow, I got 12 again, so that must be correct. I'm going to try one more strategy before we finish this problem. The last strategy I'm going to try is a strategy that kindergartners are doing towards the end of the year. The first one is during the beginning of the year. This one is during like January of the year. And now this last strategy is the number line strategy. It's the strategy that they should be using towards the end of the year. So I'm going to create my number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So with my number line, I started off with 19 because Aaliyah has 19 crayons. So I'm going to put a dot over 19. And Shania has 7. I know with my counting on strategy, I counted backwards. And I know with my first compare strategy that I was subtracting these two numbers to figure out. I paired them up. So with this number line strategy, I have to go backwards. So she had 7 crayons, so I'm going to go backwards 7 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, I came up with the same number. So now I'm still not finished. I have to create my number sentence. So with my number sentence, Aaliyah had 19, so I'm going to start off with 19. I know that with this strategy, I paired them up, so I'm subtracting. I went backwards here, and I also went backwards here. So that means I am subtracting. So 19 minus 7 equals 12. And I'm still not done because I have to make sure that I write my answer with the unit. We can't forget the unit. So my answer is 12. My unit, I underlined it, is crayons. Wow. So I have my number sentence and I have my answer. But I want to make my work even better. I use these different strategies, but I want to make my work even better. I can make my work better by putting my part whole in my number sentence. So I said that 19 was my whole, 7 is my part, and we found the last part, which was 12. Now I am finished. I annotated my problem. I represented my problem using a strategy that works. I created my number sentence that matches my representation. Your number sentence must match your representation. And then I have my answer with my unit. So now I'm all finished. I figured out how many more crayons did Aaliyah have than Shania. I hope this was very helpful, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day.